Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the download unavailable issue on YouTube quickly and easily. If the download button is missing or not working, the first thing to check is whether you have an active YouTube Premium membership, because offline downloads are limited in many regions without it. Next, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Older versions can sometimes cause download errors or missing features. You should also check your internet connection, because unstable internet may stop videos from downloading properly. Another helpful fix is clearing the YouTube app cache from your phone settings. Corrupted cache files can prevent downloads from working normally. Also, confirm that your device has enough storage space, because downloads will fail if storage is almost full. If the issue continues, sign out of your Google account, restart your phone, and sign back in again. Some videos may also block downloads due to copyright restrictions or regional limitations, so the download option may not appear for every video available on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.